This is the heart of ShoWork, the inspection walk. From any property, tap Start Inspection here and your walk begins. Your walk opens ready and empty. As you move through the property, you will add one finding for each thing worth documenting. Tap New Finding to capture the first one. A simple capture sheet slides up with everything you need in one place. Start with a photo, snap the issue, and ShoWork attaches it to the finding, along with the exact GPS location automatically. Now the part that saves you the most time. Tap Reanalyze with AI and ShoWork looks at your photo and writes the description for you. Set the severity so the property manager knows how urgent it is. Choose Urgent, Needs Attention, or simply FYI. Add a quick action plan if you have one, then tap Save Finding. Your first finding is documented and on the record. Repeat for every item you spot. Add as many findings as the property needs, then you are ready to send it in.